Hello, everyone, how are you? It's 90 divided by 9, and 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So 90 divided by 9 times 9 is 90. 90 divided by 90 is equal to 1, but it is wrong. Now come to the actual method. We didn't follow the order of operation. Let us come to follow order of operation. According to PEMDAS rule, P stands for parentheses, and we have to solve first of all parentheses. So 90 divided by 9 times 10. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Now, according to PEMDAS rule, we have to solve division first, and we have to move from left to right, then multiplication. So 90 divided by 9 is equal to 10 times 10. So 10 times 10 will be equal to 100, which will be our answer. Thank you for watching.